This little accessory promises to solve a surprisingly common problem in the Tesla Model Y, but does it actually deliver? We're looking at the VEGFOXBT front door trash can, designed specifically for the Juniper 2021-2025 models. Now I know what you're thinking, a trash can for your car. But hear me out. The interior of a car, especially one as sleek as the Model Y, can quickly become a dumping ground for wrappers, receipts, and all sorts of little bits of everyday life. This accessory aims to keep things tidy. What's really interesting about this particular trash can is its focus on being waterproof and leak-proof. It uses what they describe as high-quality sealing materials, specifically a silicone material with a flip cover. The idea is to prevent odors from escaping, which is a huge plus. Nobody wants their car smelling like yesterday's coffee cup. It's also designed to be suitable for most car models, which is a nice bonus if you ever decide to switch vehicles, though its primary target is clearly the Model Y. Installation is supposed to be a breeze, and from what I can see, it looks pretty straightforward. You just pop it into place, likely in the front door storage area or perhaps the rear central console, depending on which version you get. The product description mentions a two-piece set for the 21-24 Mi, suggesting you might get one for each side, or perhaps front and rear. The opening mechanism is manual lift, meaning you just flip the lid open. They emphasize that it's easy to operate with one hand, which is crucial when you're driving and need to quickly toss something. The opening itself is described as reasonable, which I take to mean it's large enough for typical car trash without being obtrusive. The capacity is listed as 1 milliliter, which seems incredibly small, so I'm going to assume that's a typo in the specs, and it's actually much larger. The color is listed as 2124 MY2 PCS, which again points to it being a set for those model years. It's made of a brushed finish, which should look quite premium and blend in well with the car's interior. The dimensions are listed as 0.39 by 0.39 by 0.39 inches, which is also clearly a mistake, likely referring to a very small component rather than the overall bin. We'll have to assume it's a practical size for everyday car clutter. Overall, the concept is sound. A dedicated, sealed trash receptacle in your car can make a big difference in maintaining a clean and pleasant environment. The emphasis on being waterproof and odorproof is its strongest selling point. If it performs as advertised, it could be a surprisingly useful addition to your Tesla Model Y, keeping those small messes contained and out of sight. It seems like a simple, yet effective solution for a common car owner's dilemma.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.